In this video, we are going to see how we can take the screenshot of anything on the Lenovo laptop. So there are two ways you can easily do it. First of all, just find the print screen key on your keyboard. Just like this one, you will see it at the top. So what you do is you directly click on that and immediately it will open up the snipping tool. Either you can snip it, you can start recording the video of that portion. You can quickly mark up or color pick or text extract this. So in this case, we will just snip it. For example, I want to take the screenshot of this little image on our desktop. So immediately, as soon as we select that, it will save it automatically. Now, before we see where the screenshot is going, we have this other method as well to use the snipping tool directly, and it doesn't matter whatever laptop you are using. In most of the laptops, this is the option. You go to the start menu and right here snipping tool, open that up, click on new, and you get the same option. We take the screenshot and we have the option, and we have this open in the snipping tool. After that, we can click on save. We choose the location and we hit save again. Now the question is what to do when we have taken the screenshot just by clicking on the print screen button. In that case, you have to find pictures in my PC, and from here we choose screenshots, and whatever screenshots you have taken like that, it will be saved right away in the pictures, and under pictures there's screenshots. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.